Hi, I'm Phil. I'm one of the team leaders here at Halfords Mobile Experts in Basingstoke. I'm going to talk to you today about some tips and tricks on how to keep your car maintenance low by doing a few things yourself. So today I'm going to show you what to look for when you're looking at your wiper blades and making sure they're in good condition, and how to change them if you need to. So first of all, what we're going to do, we're going to just lift the wiper blade up carefully and we can rotate it slightly. What you're looking for is along the edge here, we've got a nice rubber strip, which is what wipes down your window. What we're going to do is we're going to have a feel, make sure that it's not ripping or any tears in there. It doesn't feel like there's lots of dirt built up on there, and then hopefully what you'll find is that your wiper is in good condition. If not, what we're going to do to change it is we're just going to, on this one, we need to pop open this little cover. It then lifts up and it exposes the actual wiper arm. We then slide it down and then back off of itself. Obviously, we very carefully put the wiper arm back down, as if you do drop that, you could potentially smash your windscreen. So once we've changed that, we grab our new wiper, and then what we do is, as we open it up, you can double check the sizing against your old wiper. So as we open it up, we'll just grab our old wiper, and you can see that we're on the same size length. Slightly different design for the wiper blades, but the actual connections are the same. So what we'll do is we'll get rid of the old wiper blade, carefully lift our wiper arm back up again, and we just slide it back on and pull it all the way onto the click. Once that's clicked, you see that's nice and secure, and we can just gently pop it back down on the windscreen.